Managing a field service team is a complex puzzle. What if you had a tool that not only showed you all the pieces, but also helped you fit them together perfectly? Welcome to the Acumatica Field Service Calendar Board. With the powerful search functionality, it's easy to find a specific job or job type. Each service order is fully interactive. Click to view detailed information or select the order number to access the complete record. Advanced filtering makes it easy to prioritize and organize your workload. View appointments by priority and severity. Filter by branch, technician skill set, or service order type. Saved filters let you focus on specific subsets of the workload, whether you're managing multiple dispatchers or performing preventative maintenance. These powerful filtering features bring greater clarity to your service workflow, ensuring your team can find exactly what they need when they need it for more efficient field service management. Scheduling service work has never been faster or more intuitive. Drag and drop to assign a particular service or an entire service order. The Scheduled tab displays all created appointments. Filter and search as needed or drill down to the appointment for more details. Collapse the scheduling pane to expand the calendar board and view the list of technicians on the side. Manage appointments effortlessly by viewing them by day, week, or month. Maximize visibility and streamline scheduling. Assign a technician with a simple drag and drop. Reassign tasks or create new appointments. Validate assignments by skill, license, or service area to ensure the right technician is on the job. Take scheduling to the next level with integrated mapping. Visualize job locations and technician schedules directly on the calendar. View multiple technicians on the same map with color coding. Enable location tracking to see where your technicians are in real time, along with their appointments for the day. This powerful tool helps you minimize travel time, cut fuel costs, and fit more appointments into every day. The connection between field and office gives dispatchers, technicians, and service managers the information they need to make faster, more informed decisions. The interactive calendar board is another way Acumatica empowers you to build a more connected and profitable field service operation. Visit our website to learn more and request a personalized demo today.